Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Green Dot card in a store. So, in order to do this, first of all, before you shop, make sure your Green Dot Visa or MasterCard is activated and has enough balance. You can activate it through the Green Dot application or go at greendot.com/activate. So, you can navigate to this page and enter your card number, choose I'm not a robot, click on next, follow the prompts, and you would have successfully activated your Green Dot card. Now, to add money, use direct deposit, cash reload, or bank transfer from another account. You can use your Green Dot card anywhere Visa or MasterCard is accepted, like grocery stores, gas stations, retail shops, and restaurants. Just look for the logo at checkout. Now, at the register, swipe, insert, or tap your card. Choose debit if you want to enter your PIN, or credit if you'd rather sign for the purchase. Both methods work the same. The money will be deducted directly from your Green Dot balance. Now, many stores like Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens allow you to get cash back when paying with your Green Dot card. Select debit, enter your PIN, and choose the cashback amount you want. It's a great way to withdraw cash without ATM fee. Now, after checkout, open the Green Dot app to view your updated balance and transaction details. The app sends instant alerts for every purchase, helping you stay on the top of your spending. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.